In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review industry updates on Glassdoor, Industry Updates 2026. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to glassdoor.com. This is where you'll manage what you see about industries you care about. If you land on a regional version, that's fine. The layout is similar. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you used for job search or company research. Go ahead and log in. You can use your usual credentials or a single sign-on option if it's available to you. If you don't remember your password, use the reset link to avoid delays. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the homepage where your profile options live. On the homepage, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It typically appears as your photo or a simple avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile browser, the icon may be tucked behind a menu button, but it will still be in the top right area. From the drop-down that appears, select Notifications. This opens the control center for what Glassdoor sends you and what it highlights in-app. Think of this page as your filter. The goal is to keep valuable insights flowing without overwhelming you. Now, look for the section labeled Industries. Click it to expand the options. This area groups updates and alerts tied to the industries you're following or have shown interest in. It's a helpful way to surface trends, company changes, and context that can influence your job search or competitive research. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. Industry-related settings often sit alongside job and company alert categories. Within industries, you'll see a toggle for helpful job and company info. This setting uses your job activity history to surface tailored information. Things like relevant company updates or insights that connect to roles you viewed or saved. Turn this on if you want curated, timely suggestions. Turn it off if you prefer to keep things strictly manual or you're getting more notifications than you'd like. When you switch it, you should notice the control change state, indicating your preference is active. Your changes will auto-save. There's no separate save button needed here. If you'd like reassurance, wait a moment for the toggle to settle, then refresh the page or navigate away and back. Your preference should remain exactly as you left it. That's it. You've just tailored your Glassdoor industry updates so you receive the right information at the right time. Revisit these settings anytime your focus shifts or your inbox feels too busy, and fine-tune until the updates match your goals.